Stock in news: Hero MotoCorp, LG Electronics, Muthoot Finance and BIS Quality Control. 1 Muthoot Finance Q2 profit surges 87% to Rs 2,345 crore, stock hits record high. The gold loan non-banking financial company NBFC had posted a profit of Rs 1,251 crore in the same quarter last year. Muthoot Finance Ltd on Thursday reported an 87.4% year-on-year YoY rise in its standalone profit after tax to Rs 2,345 crore for the quarter ended September 2025, supported by strong loan demand amid higher gold prices. The gold loan non-banking financial company NBFC had posted a profit of Rs 1,251 crore in the same quarter last year. Net interest income (NII) grew 58.5% to Rs 3,992 crore in Q2 FY26 from Rs 2,519 crore in the corresponding period a year ago. The company attributed the robust performance to the continued momentum in its core gold loan business and steady credit demand. George Jacob Muthoot, chairman at Muthoot Finance, said, "We are pleased to report sustained continued growth momentum in our consolidated loan assets under management, which have reached a historic high of Rs 1,47,673 crore driven by robust performance of our core gold loan business." The company's standalone loan assets under management AUM increased 47% YoY to Rs 132,000 crore as of September 2025. 2 LG Electronics Q2 profit falls 27% to Rs 389 crore, revenue marginally higher. Revenue from operations rose slightly by 0.98% YoY to Rs 6,174 crore, against Rs 6,113.8 crore in Q2 FY25. LG Electronics India Ltd on Thursday reported a 27.31% year-on-year YoY decline in its net profit to Rs 389.4 crore for the July-September quarter Q2 of FY26, compared to Rs 535.7 crore in the same period last year. This marks the company's first quarterly results after its stock market debut. Revenue from operations rose slightly by 0.98% YoY to Rs 6,174 crore, against Rs 6,113.8 crore in Q2 FY25. Adjusted EBITDA stood at Rs 547.5 crore, with an EBITDA margin of 8.9%, down from Rs 757.4 crore and a margin of 12.4% a year earlier. The results were announced after market hours. Earlier in the day, shares of LG Electronics closed 1.13% higher at Rs 1,674.10 on BSE. 3 Hero MotoCorp reports 23% YoY rise in Q2 consolidated net profit at Rs 1,309 crore. Hero MotoCorp's Chief Financial Officer, Vivek Anand, attributed the company's strong performance to the simplification of India's indirect tax structure through the GST reforms. This has boosted consumer sentiment and contributed to the overall strong market performance in the auto industry. Hero MotoCorp has reported a 23% year-on-year increase in consolidated net profit, reaching Rs 1,309 crore for the second quarter of the financial year ended September 30, 2025. This growth is attributed to strong sales performance. In the same period last year, the two-wheeler giant posted a net profit of Rs 1,064 crore. Revenue from operations for the quarter rose significantly, reaching Rs 12,218 crore, compared to Rs 10,483 crore in the corresponding period of the previous fiscal year. Sales volume saw a notable increase, with 16.91 lakh units sold in Q2 FY26, up from 15.2 lakh units in the year-ago period. 4 Center scraps 14 BIS quality control norms, big relief for chemical, plastics and textile sectors. By lifting mandatory BIS certification requirements, the government has effectively simplified compliance, eliminated overlapping testing procedures, and accelerated approvals for both manufacturers and importers. In a significant move aimed at easing regulatory pressure on key manufacturing industries, the government has withdrawn 14 BIS Bureau of Indian Standards Quality Control Orders QCOs. The decision, issued by the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, comes into effect immediately from the date of Gazette notification, with no transition period. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.